Happy Tuesday. Today is May the 5th. Happy Cinco de Mayo. All right, let's look at what you have today. I've gone to my courses. 5-5. All right, we'll start with kindergarten today. Kindergarten today, you are going to write about your favorite season. So get an adult to help you read this, and you're going to write me a couple of sentences about what your favorite season is. I've written one for you. My favorite season is fall because the weather gets colder. I like to go to the pumpkin patch and corn maze during the fall. What is your favorite season? Oh, and I can see my spelling error. I'll have to fix that. Math, you're going to go to iReady, and you're going to do explore teen numbers. And then there's a couple of science videos I have posted for you to do. All right, and then let's look at second grade. Second grade, you have two math lessons today. Estimate lengths in inches and estimate length in centimeters in iReady. Make sure you do those. And then I've just posted a video for you as well. Kindergarten, you are welcome to come to second grade to watch these videos as well. And that is it. Today is Tuesday. Again, you then are going, tomorrow is Wednesday, and I just have a couple more things for you guys to do. Let me know if you have any questions.